Hi, my name is Maya, and welcome to another property tour by Island Real Estate team. As you enter the property, you are greeted by the view and the lull of the sea. This newly renovated property is sold fully furnished and ready to move in, with an equipped kitchen featuring stainless steel appliances, spacious open floor plan, 3 king-size bedrooms with ensuite updated bathrooms, and 3 terraces overlooking the ocean. This apartment is perfect for vacation rentals. Own a piece of luxury with this beautiful oceanfront 3-bedroom property located at the Cupecoy Beach Club. It offers AC throughout, 24/7 security, and a common pool and gym, and easy beach access. I hope you've enjoyed this property tour. My name is Maya. Contact me for a viewing.